1-year-old company, and we provide the next generation of VPN solution. So there are a lot of vendors came into this market. Predominantly, the people who are developing these kind of solutions were coming from Silicon Valley players. We found out that SSL VPNs. We found out there is a fundamental problem in all existing SSL VPNs, and there was a need for some next generation of VPN. So we were doing this kind of research and development, and we were associated with some other similar kind of products earlier. So we found out that SSL VPN came into market over IPsec, and they were having a lot of advantages. So primarily, you don't need any client to be installed into a user machine. So it is a web-based automation is done while you are downloading the client. Major advantage was you can bypass any firewall. So this was the biggest advantage of SSL VPN over IPsec, or any, you can say, any conventional VPN, where this was stopping it for client server architecture. So using SSL VPN, it only uses a single port, which is port 443, which is a secured port, and you can provide multiple application access outside using a single port. So like in order to provide your particular application outside, you need to open a particular port on which your application is running. So then what used to happen in conventional VPNs, that suppose you have 5 applications, then you need to open 5 different ports on your firewall. And predominantly a major problem was there is a client who's trying to access your application. If that client is sitting behind another firewall, and he's trying to access some application which runs on some particular port, and that port is maybe blocked in that firewall, so he's not able to access the application. So this was a major pain area. So what happened with SSL VPN, that you just need to open one port, and you can provide access to all the application on a single port. And port 443 is by default open in all firewalls, because all your banking transaction happening on HTTPS. This is one. Second is they were conventional SSL VPN were developed for web-based applications. So, but later people demanded that we don't want only for web-based application, but we want for client-server applications. We want full access also using SSL VPN. So when they developed this kind of solution, they also they also came out with a fundamental problem in all existing SSL VPN. So what happens when they try to access client-server application? They don't create only single TCP layer. They create multiple TCP layers. They may create 2 TCP layers or multiple TCP layers while they access the single application. That was a major problem. So we developed a technology called multiple applications single layer architecture. So we are very aggressive. We have a lot of things in roadmap for Indian market. So since we are an Indian based company, one is that we are providing a lot of excellent research and development support to our all existing customers. So that one benefit they will get, that all the founders the people who have created the product, the research and development team is sitting in India. So definitely they will enjoy better research and development support all the Indian customers. That is one. Second is we are providing better support in terms of, one is engineering support, second is in terms of RMA pools, in terms of hardware failures, and training programs. So this is kind of programs we are running for Indian markets. See, we are not like similar kind of another company which the fundamental technology is same. So if you talk about competition, so fundamentally we are much ahead. We claim that we have created a next generation of VPN, and the kind of technology which we are providing in the market today, nobody is providing that kind of technology. And we have proven those kind of things, because large enterprises and ISP customers are already deploying Excel Pro products. So we are 30 times faster than any conventional SSL VPN, or you can say competition. Any customer who is having who has hosted any application, it may be CRM application, it may be your ERP, it may be they want to do FTP, it may be they are hosting email or any internet portal where they want to provide access outside on a real-time basis, they are our targeted customer. What we have, first we started directly selling into enterprise customers, and we created few lighthouse accounts, or large reference customers. Then we signed up with RH Infotech, which is our national distributor for India, and parallelly we also signed up and a few are under process, like if you talk about tier 1 partners, so we are working with SCL Comnet, and we are working with Wipro in India. If we talk about tier 2 structure, so we also tied up with the regional security partners, predominantly the regional partners who are putting focus into networking and security solutions. So they are already, we have 3-4 partners in every region, and within coming next years we are trying to make 10 regional partners in every region. We are providing extensive training. We believe that this is a new technology, this is a new product, and the market is new. Because if you look at SSL VPN, it is not very old market, and it is also not very mature. So you will see that niche players are there who are specialized in selling those kind of solution. So we are providing a lot of training programs. Already we have done in North region, we have done 2 programs, and we are planning similar in West, in South and East also. So you can say every 3 months we would run a training program in every region. That SSL VPN market is a emerging market, is a very big market, and we see that is the next big thing, which eventually every company would deploy a dedicated SSL VPN device. Because what happened usually, people were sitting in LAN and they always accessed the application outside the network. They deployed firewalls and other mechanisms, then they secured their perimeter level local area networks by deploying UTMs, firewalls, your IPS, IDS kind of solutions, and web content filtering solutions. Before that, they already deployed antivirus solution on the desktops. But now the time is changed now. Now what has happened, people have deployed central data centers, and they have deployed their enterprise application inside their data center. Now they want to provide access outside from their network. So now the scenario is opposite. So now they need a dedicated SSL VPN or secure remote access device which can satisfy end-to-end security. So I also would like to talk about end-to-end security. Now market is moving towards end-to-end security. So they want security from their application till the end user who is trying to access the application. Now the user who is trying to access the application from outside, they don't know what is the security level of the user machine, who is the user. So they need better authentication, they need better identity access management solution inbuilt. They also need next generation of your network access control. And we are providing everything in a single device. So VPN is one part, and we are also providing your to achieve that goal, end-to-end security goal. We are providing automatic NAC inbuilt. We are providing WAN acceleration inbuilt. We are providing data leakage prevention inbuilt. VPN of course inbuilt, and then we also provide your complete reporting. So it is actually resulting into end-to-end security. So whenever any user try to access your application, my client automatically goes to end user machine and scan the machine and throw the result that what is the security level of that machine. on the basis of that you can decide what access to be given, whether access to be given or not. If given, what kind of access to be given. We see within we just completed 1 year in July, and within 1 year we got more than 30 enterprise customers. So we feel that it's a very huge market acceptance for us in India, and we also sold in China, Australia, Singapore. So we are just starting up, and and moreover, we sold to large enterprise customer, ISP level customer, where they don't have any budget constraints, where they really buy any new company on the merit of the technology. So this is a great you can say push for us, and now we are planning to expand to APAC region, then European region, and US later. We see that 4 to 5 years we should be on a, I can't say give you any number right now, but for your reference, we have studied Gartner report. Gartner is saying that by 2015 the market is going to hit around 1000 million US dollars. So we believe that if you could get 10% of it, I should be 100 million.